Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing a almost whole house clean with me. I'm going to be sharing just some pre-Christmas cleaning motivation to hopefully help you get up and moving to tackle your list if you have a lot to do before Christmas. Let me know down below in the comments if you are hosting Christmas this year. We are not. We are actually heading over to my mother-in-law's and I am really excited for that. But I would love to know what your plans are for Christmas Day, and just know that I am thinking about all of you during the holidays, and I hope you all get to spend some time with some loved ones. Now we are starting off with some cleaning motivation here in the master bedroom, and I'm also going to be sharing a little bit later in the video some cleaning tips and hacks and just some spaces in your house that you're probably not cleaning as often as you should. So stay tuned for that. If you are new here or you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you consider subscribing. Here on my channel, you will find lots of lifestyle content, tons of cleaning and homemaking motivation, and just everything that you need to encourage you to get up and get moving to tackle your own mess. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and dusting all of the furniture here in our master bedroom using my favorite wood cleaner. It is the Method cleaner in the almond scent. It smells really, really good, but I would love to know, I've been looking and doing a lot more research into the company called Enyo. It is like a natural cleaning company. Let me know down in the comments if you've heard of them before, if you've used them, what your thoughts are. Really and truly, any feedback, good and bad, that you have, I'm super curious about. Let me know down below. So here is an overview of our master bedroom, and I wanted to share a real life moment with you guys. These are my Christmas presents that still need to be wrapped. They are just like stashed in our master bedroom on top of the shelf. They're not for our kids, those are gifts for our nieces. Let me know down below if you have wrapped your Christmas presents yet. As I'm filming this voiceover, which is Wednesdays, and you're seeing this on Thursdays, so literally the day before, I have just wrapped those ones that were up on that shelf now. And so I have a lot of wrapping to do. But one of the traditions that my husband and I do is we wrap the presents together. And so yeah, that's kind of what we will be doing over the next couple of nights here.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in.
Here in the bathroom, I'm just going ahead and using my Thieves multi-purpose cleaner. I do really like this stuff as well, and as I kind of mentioned, I am looking to switch over to more natural cleaning products. Let me know down below if you use natural or chemicals, or if you have a preference, or if you don't care at all. I'd love to know.
I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine. Fire. I'm not calling
as you can see, I cleaned up my toddler girl's bedroom here, and then I was gonna come back to this, and then to be honest, I actually like totally forgot. So that's why the bedroom is kind of like half done. You can't really tell if I would have never told you that, but just being real and transparent with you guys here. I'm always here to share like not only real life messes, but just real life moments. I moved on into the kitchen because it was really bothering me. And so I'm gonna give you just some real life motivation here in the kitchen, and I'm going to share some of those places in your house that you're probably forgetting to clean really soon. So stay tuned.
Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine. Nothing like wine. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down?
One place that you are most likely forgetting to clean and wipe down often is your salt and pepper shakers. So here is your friendly reminder to go ahead and give those a little clean. Now you can see a little pot in the background and you have seen it in the footage, but I just wanted to share, I was making some cheesy Brussels sprouts. It is one of my all-time favorite recipes. It is a great addition to a Christmas dinner, a Thanksgiving dinner, like, you know, just any special dinner. I absolutely love them. It is my Gigi's recipe, and I will have the recipe itself linked down below, as I didn't actually like film the entire process for YouTube. I do have it in a reel over on my Instagram if you follow me over there, and I also have it on my blog. So make sure that you head on over to my blog and you can actually sign up for my newsletter to stay, you know, in the loop. I launch new products over there. You are the first to know. You get all of my free printables, all of that fun stuff. So I would love if you went on over there and joined my newsletter to kind of stay up to date. The next place that you are most likely forgetting to clean is your small countertop appliances. So like the smoothie maker was so bad, as you can see, and I actually needed to go in with a little bit of extra elbow grease as soap and water wasn't cutting it. So I went in with the Dawn Powerwash.
Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
Look how much better it looks. Dawn Powerwash is the bomb diggity, you guys. I highly recommend that product. The next place that you might be forgetting to clean is your actual coffee pot. So you can see it gets pretty dirty. I like to give the outside a clean as well as the inside, and I like to run just like fresh water through the pot as if I am brewing a pot of coffee, and it really helps to just get everything out. You can also run vinegar through it as well if you want to, like, you know, really clean it. However, I don't do that. You're just gonna want to make sure that you rinse the coffee pot so it doesn't taste like vinegar. So you're gonna have to run a couple cycles, probably 1 to 2, maybe even 3. So the next place that you are most likely forgetting to clean, or you're just not cleaning as often as you should, is your kitchen cabinets. Now I like to give these a good wipe fairly often, you guys. I find our counters just get, like our cupboards just get so dirty. Not our counters, I'm sorry. Our cupboards get so dirty with our kids, like their fingerprints. I'm a pretty messy cook if I'm being totally honest with you guys, and so I need to wipe them very often. So it is now a few days later, and I wanted to pick up the basement here as we have people coming over, so it really needed a good deep clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the entire basement. If you are new around here, our basement is basically foreign territory as I don't share it very often here on my channel. We don't spend a lot of time down here. Obviously, we spend the majority of our time on our main living area. And so you definitely see me clean our main living space a lot more than the basement, but I figured it was time to share an almost whole house clean with me. And again, the basement really needed to be done. So wait until you see the carpet, the dog hair, and all the things. There's some pretty satisfying transformations coming.
Dreaming, you're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you must stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you must stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is a lie, we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
So now it was cleanup time down here in the basement. We always do cleanup time with our kids. For those of you that are new here, we have a 2 and a 4-year-old. And so my 4-year-old, as you can see, is always so helpful. My 2-year-old was having a moment behind the scenes here and she wasn't helping. And some battles just aren't really worth the fight, and this was one of them. But usually they are really good at cleaning up with me together. I always tell them teamwork makes the dream work, and it's just something that we do before we watch a show. And so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. But I have this little balance beam here, which was made by a local designer here where I live. And I will have her information linked below. She ships all across Canada, and so yeah, it's actually really, really neat. She makes some incredible pieces, so I wanted to just kind of share that with you guys. And now you can see I am just vacuuming up. There was a ton of spider webs down here. You won't really see it on camera as it's a little hard to see. Also, if you're still watching, I would love if you gave this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. It really helps my channel out as a small creator, and I just want to thank you so much for being here. Leave me a little Santa or Christmas tree emoji down below if you're still watching.
Through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to break too much stronger. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
So as you saw there, we have our Bowflex down here in our basement. It seems like our house is a lot smaller than our previous house back home that we owned, but it's just set up differently, and so we don't really have the best system down here in the basement. But we actually just rearranged it right after I filmed this. It was the next day. I'm not sharing it in today's video, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll do that in a future video here if you guys are interested and want to see that. But the Bowflex stayed where it was. It's kind of like really annoying. We don't have a garage, but if we did, that is where it would go. Or if we had like a separate area in our basement. But yeah, anyway, I'm going on a tangent again. So I wanted to share this really close up of our stairs because I know that it looks like it's really clean and stuff, but look at that dog hair. It was so bad, and this was all over the stairs. I mean, the stairs really accumulate the dog hair, so I just wanted to kind of quickly share a close up of that. But I'm going to finish vacuuming the stairs here, and then I'm going to go ahead and end the video. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you guys all are having a wonderful holiday. I hope that you get to see some of your friends and some family, and just know that I'm thinking of you guys, and I'm just so appreciative that you are here watching my video today. So thanks for spending some time with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, a wonderful Christmas, and we will see you guys next week. Bye for now.
I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good.